This is a great example of how sneaky tiger sharks can be. In this video, you see me on the right, my husband Paul in the middle, and Kaylee on the left. Paul doesn't have as much experience diving with the sharks as Kaylee and I, so I act as a buffer for him while we're in the water. I initially give my attention to this tiger that's coming up to us head on and redirect her away. But I actually have to follow through and stay with her because she's taking an interest in Paul and still coming up towards the surface closer to him. And once that tiger shark starts swimming down deep below Paul, I look back and I see there's actually another tiger starting to sneak up behind him. So I rush really quickly to get in between him and the shark. He was focusing on filming that interaction between me and the initial tiger shark and got a little bit too locked in on the camera. This happens a lot with photographers, so it's really important to kind of watch their backs while they're getting the shots. And I actually take the camera away from him so he doesn't have to worry about any other distractions while on the dive. It is always important to be aware in the water because you never know when a shark might sneak up behind you.